Hi everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to week 2 of spring cleaning. I wish I could say it was spring break, but it's not. It's spring cleaning. Last week we tackled the living room, got that all done. It wasn't that bad to begin with, so you know, it wasn't that much of an effort, but we took care of the living room, and this week we're going to take care of the laundry / mud room, which I have a couple closets that are just a big mess. It really needs some attention. And we're going to take on the entry and the front porch. So we're going to try to focus on those 3 areas this week, get them decluttered, organized, and cleaned. All right, let's get this done. So today we're going to take on the laundry room. Ken has already started doing laundry. I see the boys are bringing down their sheets. We would also like to clean out this closet here. We haven't really done anything in there for almost a year since Ken organized that, did the organizational systems. I am guilty. I have some clutter that's not supposed to be here under the bench, and some stuff to be put away. We also want to clean out our cleaning closet and do an order from Walmart, see what we need to order. Just on an annual basis, like once a year, we kind of stock it. And so we'll go through that, clean the cleaning closet. And then this piece here, I'm getting rid of. It's going bye-bye. It's just until the boys can move it. So that's the laundry room. So Ken put an order in to Walmart to refill our cleaning closet. He also got 4 gallons of milk. You know, we always need milk. Some fire sticks, toilet wand cleaners, Easy Off, Febreze refills, some Clorox wipes, Febreze fabric, stainless steel cleaner, granite cleaner. I love this granite cleaner. Windex, bleach, Armor All, spray and wash, Lime Away, Pledge, Swiffer, Kaboom, some laundry detergent, Bounce, Lysol, some leather cleaner, and some ham. Anyway, we tried that service where you order online and then you just go pick it up, and it worked out perfect. So we're going to get the laundry room cleaning closet stocked. We're going to go outside and spend maybe 15 minutes on the front porch because it's cold. We'll just do a little dabble do us. And I still have my Christmas wreath up there. How embarrassing is that? We always go in the side door. I totally forgot about it. Oh my goodness. About 15 minutes and did the best we could, but it's really cold and a storm is coming. So that's going to be it for the front porch this go round. So this is our entry, and we just need to clean. Looks like a bunch of pillows got stuck over here that don't belong there. Need to dust some pictures and clean the floors. That, I don't know where, oh, that came from your office. So we got to deal with that, and then just take that laundry upstairs when someone goes up. Just kind of dust and do the floors and declutter that thing.
And wash the drapes.
Oh yeah, I also want to take these down and wash those and do the windows and stuff. Anyway, we're going to get started. got through week 2, finished the laundry room, the front porch, and the entryway. It feels so good. I feel like we have momentum going forward on this spring cleaning journey. Next week, we're going to take on the kitchen. Can't wait. I have some bougie cabinets in there. I have like 4 or 5 cabinets that are just a mess. So I really need to get in there. But I'm looking forward to it because the house is starting to look so cute and pretty and organized and clean. I hope this video motivates you to get started with something that you've been wanting to get done. And until next time, you guys take care. Talk to you later.